If you've ever wanted to make money online but hate the idea of hosting webinars or being on camera, this is for you. Most people think webinars are too technical, the setup, the slides, the live presentations. But what if you could earn commissions from webinars without doing any of that? That's exactly what John Thornhill's webinar profit engine lets you do. It's a complete done for you system that uses automated webinars to sell products for you. No audience, no product, and no tech skills needed. You'll get pre-built webinar funnels, emails, and ready to promote affiliate offers, all optimized to convert. You just plug in your link, send traffic, and the system does the selling 24/7. So if you're ready to earn affiliate commissions on autopilot, click the link below to get started with Webinar Profit Engine and let the automation do the hard work